This is question 1 from paper 1 of the 2015 National 5 SQA Maths exam. Given a couple of mixed fractions and we have to evaluate their difference. So let's start with the 6 1/5. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. Why on earth do we do that? Let's look at the 6. It's 6 whole units and a fifth tagged on. There's our 6 whole units. Let's divide each one of them up into 5 pieces. How many fifths have we got altogether in these 6 whole units? We've got 5 fifths, another 5 fifths, all the way along. You can see we've got 6 lots of 5 fifths. That gives us our 30 fifths, plus a single fifth tagged on at the end. So that's the reason we go 6 lots of 5 fifths plus 1 fifth. So 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31 fifth. Similar thinking for our 2 1/3. There's 2 whole units divided up into 3 pieces, thirds. How many thirds do we have? 2 lots of 3 thirds. That's 6 thirds. 2 times 3 is 6, plus a single third tagged on. So we've got 7 thirds. 2 times 3 plus 1. Now, how do we subtract thirds from fifths? The answer is we don't. We change them to 15ths. 3 5s, 15. 3 times 31, 93. So we're taking our fifth here and dividing each one up into 3 pieces to get 15 pieces altogether. And that's trebling the number of pieces that we've got. So that's why we're multiplying by 3. We're really just multiplying top and bottom by 3 to produce 15ths, 3 times the number of fifths that we used to have. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Always multiply top and bottom of a fraction by the same thing. And the thirds, if we divide each third up into 5 pieces, multiply 3 by 5, we get 15. So we again get 15 pieces. And we've multiplied the number of pieces we've got with 5. So 5 sevens are 35. So in this case, 93 15ths, and we're taking away 35 15ths. So we certainly can do our subtraction now because the pieces are identical. And how many do we now have? We're taking 35 away from 93. We've got 58 of these 15ths. So if we imagine a whole divided up into 15 pieces, 15 15ths, and then another one, another 15 15ths, and then another one, 15 15ths. That's us up to 45 15ths. Now, another one, complete one, would take us up to 60 15ths. That's too many. That's too many here. We've only got 58 of them. So 15 into 58 goes 3 times. That's 45 with a remainder of 13. So we'll have 13 of these 58 15ths left over. So 15 into 58 goes 3. That gets us up to 45. Remainder 13. 13 of these 15ths left over. So there's our answer. 6 1/5 minus 2 1/3 is 3 13 15ths.